this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Microsoft Edge theme from light mode to dark mode. So there are two methods you can use, and I'm going to show you how you can use either of them. So in the first method, you can just go to these settings and then tap on it. And then down here, you can see an option called custom theme. If you go ahead and tap on it, the default mode, it is set to system default. However, I'd like to change this to dark mode. So I'll go ahead and tap on dark mode. And now we have changed to dark mode. If you need any variations, you can select from this and it will be applied immediately. However, if you just want to retain the default, then that is it. That is the first method. In the second method, go to these ellipses and then click on it. And then down here, look for the option called settings. If you go to settings and then tap on appearance, which is this, it will take you back to the same and you can now select your theme. So I'll go ahead and select dark mode, and here we go. Then you can also set the variations. Now if we go back to home page, you can see we have an image added automatically. So if you don't want this background image, just go to these settings here, and then under it we have an option called background. So toggle this off and this will turn to dark mode. So that's how you change Microsoft Edge theme from light mode to dark mode.